My name's Angelica Varon. I'm from Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. I heard of Gulfcoast Ultrasound Institute from a friend who took this course, but the 4-day course, like 5 years ago, and started her echo career, and she's doing wonderful. And so her recommendation was to come here, and hence I'm here. Because I'm also on the path of echo.
And why did you choose the blended course over the 5 days?
Because I could go at my own pace for the actual lectures, and I can actually pause the video and take notes, and I can have access to it for the next 15 months. And then it was just good to have the hands-on, like just be hands-on. And then at night, like last night, I looked over my lectures again. So it was kind of nice. Definitely get a lot of scanning in, but it's also good to watch other people. Kind of gauge where you're at, and also they give tips, so I write them down. So I highly recommend it. So far I feel like it's going to give me a good foundation for what I need to do. You still need to train on the job, but it's definitely a good foundation. I highly recommend it.